Hey there, Buy Smart family! Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. We've got two contenders ready to duke it out for the title of Best Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. On the left, we have the heavyweight champ, the eufy X10 Pro Omni, and on the right, the scrappy underdog, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Who will clean the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The eufy X10 Pro Omni will set you back a whopping $799. Yes, you heard that right. For that price, it better clean your floors, wash your dishes, and maybe tuck you in at night. Meanwhile, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $267. At that price, you can buy 3 of them and still have enough money left over for a pizza party. Just make sure you don't invite the eufy. It might eat all the snacks with that powerful suction. Next, let's talk cleaning power. The eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts a monstrous 8,000 pascal suction. That's like having a mini black hole on your floor. Pet hair, crumbs, and even your soul. Nothing stands a chance. On the other hand, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo doesn't quite reach those astronomical levels, but still offers solid suction power combined with a 230 milliliters water tank for mopping. It's like the reliable friend who shows up to help you move. Not the strongest, but always there when you need them. According to reviewers, the eufy excels at picking up pet hair and other debris, while the Kilgone does a great job on hard floors and carpets, especially in grout lines. Now, let's get smart. The eufy X10 Pro Omni is like the valedictorian of robot vacuums. It features AI, smart cleaning, iPath laser navigation, and customizable AI Map 3.0. Basically, it can identify over 100 different objects and avoid them, making it smarter than some of my exes. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is no slouch either. It comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and you can control it using the TUIA app. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Imagine bossing around your vacuum while sitting on the couch, living your best lazy life. Reviewers appreciate the eufy's advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance, while Kilgone users love its app control and scheduling features. Special features, anyone? The eufy X10 Pro Omni has an auto-detangling roller brush. This baby rotates in reverse and uses the Pro Detangle comb to remove hair from the brush. It's like having a personal hairstylist for your vacuum. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo brings some unique tricks to the table too. It features 3D precision obstacle avoidance and a super slim 2.9 1-inch design. It's like the ninja of vacuums, sneaking under furniture and dodging obstacles like a pro. Reviewers love the eufy's self-cleaning capabilities and the Kilgone's ability to reach hard-to-clean areas. Overall, reviewers find the eufy X10 Pro Omni to be a game-changer in home cleaning with its impressive suction power, smart features, and self-cleaning capabilities. On the other hand, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning performance, especially for those on a budget. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for a high-end, all-in-one cleaning marvel, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a dependable, smart vacuum, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.